So for $100 and something, almost 200, you can buy a new aluminum cover for these Buicks, which is very handy because that would be putting some of these Buicks out of commission with the different cracks and holes and things that you may have going on with your Buick. You probably don't have all this stuff going on with your Buick if it isn't regularly being ripped apart. If you just have a nice stock Buick, this is probably just fine. But if you have that, we're not going to say the word, one that's been very tampered with, let's say, then you may need a new one, and they make it. So, while we're out here in the rain, but the little edge of the roof covers us, and this wind sail of a hood covers us, so we're just fine. I'll take it. I'd rather be working in the rain than the heat. First thing, we're going to put our oil pump back in here. Pull the water pump off, put our water pump on here. But the big deal about this, and the reason a lot of these are broken, is because the wrong bolts went back in the wrong spots, or aftermarket bolts went into the wrong spots. So we are going to double, triple check and make sure that we get the right bolts and things. Maybe even stick little test pins down in there to make sure the length isn't too much. And we're not going to use this high volume oil pump, which may have been our whole problem. We'll find out.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
I'm in the pump. The filter's not blowing up, so that seems to be working. Now the rockers, I think, have to be in a certain position in order for them to be getting oil, possibly. But I think we fixed it. Okay. This very vintage oil pressure gauge that we can put on for temporary. Yeah, it bounced a little bit, but nothing. Well, no oil. Where are you, oil? Nothing. I was thinking maybe if I fill the oil filter with oil, that it might help prime it. Nope. Alright, got a hose hooked up to the filter exit. Shove these guys together. This is higher than the oil pump, so can I get you to crank it one more time, Jared? What I'm hoping to see is it draw it down.
Don't have your face pointed at it.
Don't have your face pointed at it. You know, it was pulling it down, and as soon as you shut it off, it stopped.
When it's shutting down now, it's shutting down faster. And I think,
it's because of the oil.
yeah, I think we're out of experiments.
So I got the pump back off. Made sure it was turning with the drill. You can see it's been turning on the pump. Got another new gasket for it. That's the only thing I can really try here. I might try to take out this part and prime it through here, because that goes into the pump there. Did a new gasket magically make it feel better? No magic. If you just pour the oil down in there, I'm gonna try to hold this on here, and we're trying to prime the pump. So if you just pour it all in there. Oh, there it is. There it is. 60 PSI. Oh, over 80. Idle right there, 75. Come on, rockers, show me some oil. Look at that. Show me some oil, show me some oil, come on. Come on! I'm not stopping. Oh, I just said I'm not stopping and the battery dies on the drill. Ah! Holy cow, what a job. Alright, that's all of the driver's side rockers. Looks like we got all the passenger side. There we are. That's all the passenger side one. Holy cow! Mercy! 8 o'clock. Wins. W's, boys. W's. Alright, and valve covers are on. Well, fills the distributor. That's us.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.